facing the other one. Are you Austrian guy? Yeah, it could be. Are you from Austria? Austrian, come inside. Other Austrian. No Austrian. Facing the other side.
Dat is met insider.
Cycle are like one inside, one outside. So the one outside just straight the cycle to the other and you make the cycle.
Try to be a little bit concentrated to all this issue, to listen to each other
question. So the one who the most catch our attention. And you have to remember the person who asked the question to you. Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear? So you have only 1 minute. And then
Here, please. Here, there are some paper if you want.
if you think that you are going to forget the name of the person, you can have to write. So you have 1 minute, you can run there, go to the question, write it down, and what is the question? You want to write it?
We start with your way. Go.
What paying gains in our can you imagine 35,000
and
Filipino citizens? And if we give only 1 euro, we have 35,000 alternatives. They can share by someone else and all the Philippines and use it. But they come with your story. No, I cannot. That's the Mednarodni partnership.
why I'm working especially with women and not with all the people who come to levels.
The answer was?
And the answer was you have to be specialized on one point to start the work somewhere.
And who was the person who asked? Do you remember the name?
No, I don't remember.
That was actually the exercise. No. Can you recognize the person?
I cannot remember the name.
Shorter.
Sorry. I'm sorry, so maybe you ask the younger one.
What about this question?
We know, but I don't remember. Yeah, this was maybe from Slovakia? Yes. Yeah, okay.
Okay, could you tell her your name again? Can you tell her your name again?
Irma.
We have to change cards, so I don't hear bad, I remember bad as
Okay. Another test that you know. The most interesting question.
The most interesting question. The most special question. Somebody asked me where I will go tomorrow for holiday.
And the
I find it
answer
really
was?
nice. The answer was Amazonian.
Amazonian. Do you remember the person?
Yeah,
The
she's-
name of the person?
The name of the person?
Oh, Langdon.
Irma.
Irma. Okay. And Irma, what was the very special question put to you?
We usually didn't come before. Where did I buy this?
And the answer was?
In Uganda.
Uganda. Do you remember the person, the name of the person who asked?
Yeah, no, she's not here.
Okay. So let's take two other ones. Like you.
I was. Are you willing to come to Vienna to the radio?
Okay. The answer was
Yes.
yes. Who was the person?
That guy, but I don't remember the name.
Alexis. Okay. Let's take another guy. You?
Yep. I got a question. What is the funniest thing I've ever done?
And the answer was?
Generally, I'm funny.
Oh, yourself. So you have done yourself.
Yep.
And who asked?
Lana.
Nana. Who's Nana?
Lana.
Lana. Okay. So you have done a great job because the acoustic is all about you inside. We go to the next thing, which is a gossip. Yeah. Gossip is I'm going to make some statements, and if you fully agree, you go to yes. If you disagree, you go to no. If you are in between, you can stay here like more yes than no. Yeah? So I will put some question and then you will take position that sharing opinion on some statements. Is it clear? No. What do you understand?
When I say no, I stay.
There's no. If you don't disagree with this statement, you go there. If you agree, you go there. If you are like the middle, so the first question is, migration is good for development. You say yes, migration is good for development. You say, oh, okay. Migration is good for development. I would like not really yes. You say why?
Because I think there is a lot of action as we say today, there is always, I think in every action there is like bad and positive aspects. So I cannot say it's completely yes, I cannot say it's completely no, but I would say it's more yes because I have seen a lot of like different realities and it seems to be yes, but there is also this negative aspect you have to think about.
Okay. We have somebody who's there. Yes. Definitely yes.
Definitely a yes, because it depends on the wherever you go. And whatever circumstance you find yourself, you need to go to issues with bad issues. It depends on you to make the right decision. So I'll say that.
Somebody else wants to share opinions? Migration is good for development.
You volunteered me.
Yeah.
Well, I'm also in the 4 years and there are very many sides of the argument, and also which migration, forced migration, voluntary migration, labor migration. So it's a little bit more complicated.
Okay. That's something you have to reflect and discuss on. The next text. Oh no. Alex, why no?
Because the people they leave the country and the family stay alone, and most of them they are go driven to cell and they land in jail, and the family lose their capacities.
Okay, those are people you know.
Yeah.
Thank you for your opinion. The next statement is, look up, NGO are greedy. Means they want to have the whole money for themselves.
Development NGOs.
Development NGOs, non-governmental development organization, they are greedy, like they don't want to share the money for development with migration organization. You say yes, they are greedy, they really don't want to share. Come here, you say no. So you say yes, they are greedy.
Africa na katawin mo.
You stay there. You say no. They are really share every time and always. You say no, they are not greedy. Okay. Let's begin with yes, they are greedy. Galia, why do you think they are greedy?
Because they don't want to share the pie.
I don't think they are not greedy. Once again,
I believe that they also have a good objective they follow.
that's why they need the money.
No, they are not greedy. I think they are not greedy.
So, and you think like, want to share your hand?
It's difficult.
And you?
Well, everyone depends on project-based money is something.
No, not crazy. It's difficult to work with. They are not reliable. Yeah? So, my question was, migrant organizations are reliable? You say yes, they're reliable. You said no, they are not reliable.
Where is the competence? Where is the competence?
They were not reliable. You said no, they are not reliable.
No, they're always coming late. They don't fulfill their duties. They have no experience.
And your thing is like, yeah, sometimes yes, sometimes no. Galia, what's your opinion on that?
I think that any other organizations, whether we put, I will not use migrants organization, any organization which is not well built or enough built, it needs capacity, so let's give them a chance.
Okay. So the next statement is migrant or diaspora organization must work for free. So they are not to be paid for developing their own people.
No.
So gratis.
They will come everybody to us.
They are developing their own people. We don't need to pay them for that. We say
In the middle.
no. That's it. So you say no. Yes, they have to work for free. I said no. They have to be paid for the work. Okay. Almost all everybody agrees that they have to be paid for the work. Why should they have to be paid? I mean, that's blocking their markets. It's not.
I think it depends, and you shouldn't be expected to work for free if it's going to take up all the day. Why not? It can be a job like any other job. But I mean, but you also need volunteers like others need volunteers. So
What's your opinion?
My opinion is they have to be partially paid because somebody has to, I don't think something one does full time. So he has to be paid partially.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Titles.
Oh, they don't have to be paid.
No, they have to be paid.
Okay, the last one. The last one. That's more, but that's the last one. CoMiDe is a useful initiative. So we need CoMiDe, yes. Okay.
Useful.
No, it's useless. You have done that.
Useless or useful?
Useful, yes. So we have CoMiDe is totally useless, totally useful. Okay. Let's begin with the minority. Why is CoMiDe useless?
Because the people who are working in CoMiDe, they are taking the money for migrants, they are working for themselves, and they lie, they are working for the development.
And you share this opinion.
Yeah, we're just doing it for our own, yeah.
And everything is law, it's useful. More here.
Of course it's useful. But we need to include the diaspora organizations on an more equal level, not only as participants.
Okay. Other why is it useful?
Why is it useful? Because you learn.
You're talking to those people.
Sorry, why it's useful? Because I think it's not just a question of money. CoMiDe can take the money, it's interesting, but it also allows all the people to know information they would not get by themselves. So I would think it's useful.
That is okay.
Even me.
That is okay. And I come to you.
I'm very happy you agree on that point because that's the way we are going to work in the next exercise that we call marketplace.
What was your point that you not make it
So marketplace is like, now you have like 30 minutes time to go and talk to any person you want. The person will present the work, its work, her work to you, and you will work, go deeper in the introduction we have in the cycle, talking about what you are doing and what you're doing and so on. And in 30 minutes, we come back.
Le gars, il était au courant de rien, puis il commençait à tripoter, à dire, mais ces histoires sont de fausses. Il croyait que je n'étais pas dans la salle. Parce qu'il y avait quelqu'un qui a posé la question.
For another